I will introduce our patented technology called Dynapick. Dynapick is the SmartPlate solution integrated with Signage. So let's say if I select the map on the screen and tap the SmartPlate. Now I get the map on my mobile. And let's say this time I will select the phone on the screen. Now the phone is activated on my mobile. How about using this solution as a vending machine for app? If I select whatever the app that I want to get, it redirects to app installing page. This time I will show you the slideshow. Now the burger is on the screen. I get the burger coupon here. And when it's changed to the drink, I get drink coupon here.